We are on number 4 on TEK 7.6G. The bar graph below shows the number and types of animals a veterinarian treated at a clinic during one day. Assume that the bar graph shows the typical number and types of animals the veterinarian treats each day. If the veterinarian treats 50 dogs in 1 week, 5 days, how many reptiles would she most likely treat during the same period of time? We are going to record our answer in the boxes and fill in the bubbles. So there is no multiple choice on this one. Let's look at our scratch paper. All right. So first of all, I've set up a relationship that shows that 10 dogs times question mark, representing number of days here, equals 50 dogs in 5 days. Okay? 10 days times what scale factor equals 50 dogs in 5 days? This value would have to be 5. 10 times 5 would equal 50 dogs in 5 days. So I'm bringing down this value of 5 and placing it in relation to the reptiles. 2 reptiles times 5 would be 10 reptiles in 5 days. Therefore, I would bubble in a positive, don't forget your sign. I would start at 1 and 0 and make sure that it's in relation to my decimal in the proper place, 0.00. And I would bubble in my 1 here and my 0 here, skip a spot for my decimal, 0 here and 0 here. And my answer will be graded correctly by the computer. Let's look at another way of doing this as well. Many of us are used to proportional relationships being set up as fractions. So if we started with the 50 dogs in 5 days, we would write it like this and set it equivalent dogs to dogs and days to days, okay? And then we could cross multiply, meaning our 50 times 1 would equal 50, and then we divide this way by 5. 50 divided by 5 would give us 10 dogs. That is the same answer that we came up with here. But let's not skip our steps. We were talking about dogs, but it asked us about the reptiles. So 2 reptiles in 1 day would be equivalent to how many reptiles in 5 days? Is what we're asking ourselves. Reptiles to reptiles. Days to days. Cross multiply. 2 times 5 equals 10. Divide by 1 going this direction, and we arrive at 10 reptiles. The exact same answer that we already bubbled in and arrived at here, 10 reptiles in 5 days. 2 different methods of solving this problem. You're doing very well.